From a very early age, we were all taught the human body is composed of several complex biological systems that effortlessly interact with each other. You may remember learning about the circulatory system, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the respiratory system, and a few others. And of course, the main system that was believed to act like the conductor of this biological orchestra, the central nervous system, which is controlled by the brain. You probably don't remember hearing about the endocannabinoid system, and that cannabinoids are produced naturally in your body. Well, that's because the endocannabinoid system, or ECS, was first discovered in 1992 after scientists spent decades trying to determine how the phytocannabinoids, THC and CBD, commonly found in the cannabis plant, have such a profound impact on our mind and body. We now know that all animals, with the exception of insects, have this receptor, messenger, and enzyme system that produces over 150 different cannabinoids internally. So, what is the role of this newly discovered biological system, and how does it interact with all the rest? The truth is, scientists still do not have a complete understanding of the function and the role of each cannabinoid. Those are still being researched and mapped out. But what they do know is the central nervous system is not the great conductor they once thought. We now know that it is actually the endocannabinoid system, which is common to all mammals, that is integral to homeostasis, or the management of system balance within the body. In fact, there is not a single function in your body that is not somehow influenced or regulated by the ECS. Just like a conductor can simultaneously hear the individual instruments, the overall performance, and can direct each part to adjust, the endocannabinoid system can understand the state of each biological system, weigh the needs of each, and simultaneously direct each system to increase or decrease the intensity of their function through the natural creation of cannabinoids and enzymes in the body. If something starts to act out of rhythm, like an overactive stress response, the endocannabinoid system can step in and smooth it out. CBD happens to be a plant-derived cannabinoid that significantly impacts the levels of a naturally occurring endocannabinoid, an andamide, in our body. Commonly referred to as the bliss molecule, its release is known to reduce pain, anxiety, inflammation, improve sleep, and provide a sense of happiness and well-being. CBD users are helping their conductor maintain rhythm throughout the body and the brain. Brain imaging studies have proven that CBD can help modulate activity involved in our stress response. In other words, CBD helps your brain function in a more balanced state when levels begin to spike. CBD doesn't shut the signal off or interrupt the message entirely. It acts like the volume knob on a stereo. It just turns it down a little bit to bring the system to a balanced state, smoothing out any overactive responses and allowing you to focus on the task at hand. For many of us, we spend most of our lives believing cannabinoids, like CBD, were exclusively found within the cannabis plant and were extremely dangerous to animals. We were taught this to be true from an early age, and our laws prevented their use. The scientific community now has undeniable proof that not only do all mammals naturally produce cannabinoids, but these endocannabinoids are literally the bridge between the mind and body. More recently, it has even been discovered that phytocannabinoids, including CBD, are not even exclusive to the cannabis plant and are found in common plants we consume regularly. Daily users of CBD appreciate the balance it brings to their system, and that balance provides millions of people with real relief.